Be 2 weeks ready. Water Plan, Activity 16. Follow along on Toolkit, page 70.
Activity 16, Finding Other Water Sources After Disaster Strikes. If the water you've sanitized and stored is not enough, you may need to find alternate water sources that are safe to drink. Fortunately, there are several sources you can use in and around your place, assuming you can access them. Emergency inside water sources. If authorities warn that public water is unsafe, or if there are signs of broken water lines, shut off the water lines entering your place. This prevents unclean water from entering your water system and contaminating the usable water. Plug your bathtub and sink drains and fill them with water if you can. This water will need to be sanitized to ensure safe use. See Activity 14. Water from the toilet tank, not the bowl, is usable after purification if a chemical hasn't been used to keep the bowl clean, such as those that turn the water blue. Melt ice cubes in trays and freezer-stored jugs of water. Liquid from canned fruit and vegetables can be consumed. Liquid in cans of vegetables may be salty, however. Pipes and water heaters hold water. Use every drop at each faucet wisely. Water drains downward, so obtain that last drop from the lowest faucet. Getting water from pipes. Step 1. Turn off your water supply at the street to keep sewage from backing up into your water system. Before accessing any water from your pipes, make sure your water source hasn't been contaminated. Then, locate and shut off your main water valve. In a single-family home, this valve is typically located in the basement, garage, or crawl space. Step 2. Let air into your plumbing system by locating and turning on a faucet located at the highest point in your place. If you live in a one-story home, the highest faucet may be your shower head. Step 3. Use a faucet located at the lowest point in your place as your water source, shutting it on and off as needed. If you live in a one-story home, the lowest faucet may be a hose, spigot, or water heater. If you live in an apartment or condo, your water valve may be centrally located and not in your living space. The amount of available water will depend on your apartment's location in the building and how many other people are pulling water from the building's pipes. Water from the water heater tank is also usable in a disaster. See Activity 17. This refers to the tank that connects to the water that comes out of your faucets and shower heads. Important note: this is different from the tank used to supply hot water to radiators in older homes. In these situations, use the tap water heater tank, not the home heating system tank.